representations. The seismic data around this fault line is highly active. We need to reinforce the main pylons.
Agreed. And
The laser scan shows a major fault line right across the bridge zone.
Tablet confirms the data. Let's mark it for the next pass.
I think the anchor point should be further down on the granite layer.
Let's check the subsurface scan on the tablet. The stress models are critical here.
Hey, look out below! Yeah, I got it. Keep going up top!
Pull tighter on the left side.
Okay, I have it. What's the tension?
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Copy that. Steady as she goes.
Lower the bucket slowly now. Woo! Watch the rebar on the left side.
All right, keep it steady.
Torque set. Moving to the next one.
Watch the line, pull it tight now.
Almost there. Secure the clamp.
We are approaching the target load now.
All right.
Easy now.
Is the balance holding steady?
Yes, calibration complete.
All right, easy now. Bring it down 20 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the far side.
Lower it slowly, watch the guide rail. It's binding on the left side, hold it.
Is the pipe secured now?
Yes, bolts are tight, we are good to go.
The Himalayan Railway Bridge, a triumph of engineering spanning this ancient gorge, is nearing completion.
The actuators are at maximum output.
I'm seeing slight warping on cable 3. Check the tension readout.
Tablet confirms the signal is green. Clear the line for the freight train now.
The structural stress level just normalized in the central span. We are back to green.
Good. Let us maintain surveillance on the cable tensions.
How are the readings on the main support?
The ultrasound looks good, but the laser scan shows minor displacement here.
We have a weather front approaching Sector Gamma. Reroute the eastbound express through the lower tunnel.
Acknowledged. Rerouting Sector Gamma eastbound. Clearance confirmed.
Check the gauge now.
We have a stable reading of 805.
Confirmed.
Inputting data now.
Emergency systems are fully operational. Disaster readiness protocols confirmed and active. All green.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side. Looks good. Bring it down another meter.
Vehicle reports complete stop. Braking successful.
Confirmed. All systems green.
The final structural data is validated. The bridge is certified safe.
Confirmed. The long-term projections look solid.
Let's sign the documentation then.
The tension readings on cable 3 are slightly off.
I noticed that too. We should run the scan again.
All right, let's double check the anchor points.
Monitor the ascent on Sector 4. We have high altitude winds reported. Confirmed. Maintaining stable velocity. Systems are green.
The Himalayan Bridge Infrastructure Integration System is transforming transport access across the entire Himalayan region.
Himalayan Bridge Control confirms green light synchronization. Train 201 cleared for passage. The world's highest railway bridge in the Himalayas, showing how extreme geotechnical engineering and